How to use lemons and limes to enhance flavor. Lemons and limes originated in Southeast Asia and are now found all over the world. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which can protect from infection, reduce inflammation, and much more. Lemons and limes are low in calories and sodium, but high in flavor. Their flavor profile is sweet, sour, bitter, fragrant, and refreshing. Lemons and limes taste very similarly. However, limes are typically a little more bitter than lemons. Both can be used to flavor both sweet and savory dishes. Now let's learn how to peel, zest, and juice lemons and limes. Try using lemon and lime to enhance flavor today. Top a salad or create a dressing. Marinate lean meats such as chicken and fish. Use zest in pasta with Parmesan, cheese, and parsley. Slice or juice and add to water. For more great nutrition content and recipes, please follow us on Facebook.